Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable automatic payments with Geico for recurring premiums step by step clearly. To enable automatic payments with Geico for your recurring premiums, start by visiting the Geico website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by clicking on the register option. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section of your account dashboard. Look for the option labeled Payment Options or Automatic Payments. Click on this option to proceed. You will see different payment methods available. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or credit card. Enter the required payment details, ensuring they are accurate. Review the terms and conditions related to automatic payments. Once you're satisfied with the information, select the option to enable automatic payments. You may be asked to confirm your choice via email or on-screen notification. Check your email for any confirmation messages from Geico regarding your automatic payments. Once confirmed, your automatic payments will be set up. To verify your settings, return to the billing section. Here, you can see a summary of your automatic payment schedule. If you need to make changes in the future, you can return to this section at any time. Congratulations, you've now set up automatic payments with Geico for your recurring premiums. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.